The company that I'm talking about here, which is going to pay you up to $100 or even more, depending on which strategy you choose to go with, is known as affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey guys, this is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your first $100 working online as an affiliate marketer. Now, I know that many of you don't know what affiliate marketing is all about, and we have been getting several requests from people telling us to make a video for affiliate marketing for beginners, and so here it is. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a free platform that you can join from anywhere around the world, and it's 100% legit. You could Google it right after watching this video, and you can be sure that when you get started with this platform, you are guaranteed, if you follow the steps that I'm going to share with you, to make up to $100 or even more as a complete beginner. But you're gonna have to sacrifice a couple of minutes per day following the strategies that I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video. So without taking too much of your time, let us dive into the video and find out what this website is all about and what affiliate marketing for beginners is all about. So if you are a complete newbie and you've never heard about this whole affiliate marketing thing, so basically what affiliate marketing is, it's where you find products or services that belong to a particular company and you promote these products. When you get somebody to purchase the product through your link, you get paid a commission. And so it's that simple. The first step is finding a company that has an affiliate program. The second step is promoting the product. And the third step is actually making your money. So let's get on to the first step with this particular video. The company that I'm talking about here, which is going to pay you up to $100 or even more, depending on which strategy you choose to go with, is known as GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing software or an email marketing tool. Now, if you are somebody who is not really techie or somebody who is afraid of tech stuff, I want you to hang on to your seat there for a second. Don't click away just yet, because this isn't something that you need to be afraid of. You don't necessarily have to know about tech or understand the technical stuff behind all of this to actually promote this particular product. You do, however, need to know two things. You have to do your research concerning what the product is about, which I'm going to be sharing with you right here in this video. And also you need to know the second thing, which is how you are going to promote the product or where to find the people to promote the product to. So the first thing, getting to know about this product or the company, I'm going to link it down in the description box below to where you can go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program. Like I've said, it's absolutely free to join and it's absolutely free to sign up. All you need to do is enter in a couple of details and you should get the response. In just a few minutes, you will be on the inside. So once you get your affiliate link, you need to know that GetResponse gives you all the tools. They have a complete dashboard that's going to show you how many people you have referred and how many of those people have actually converted. Now, GetResponse also has two particular methods of paying you as an affiliate. The first one that is on their website, as you can see here on the screen, is you can choose to make $100 for every single customer that you bring to GetResponse. Now that is a really huge amount, and that is something that is worth trying. Or you could choose to go with their second method over here, which will pay you 33%, but this actually is a recurring commission. And so some people prefer to make $100 once, and other people would prefer to make 33% of the cost of GetResponse for a lifetime. That means for as long as the customer stays with GetResponse, you're going to be making 33% of what they're paying this company. Okay? So now what exactly is GetResponse? GetResponse, like I've said, is an email marketing tool, and it is used by people who are bloggers, website owners and businesses to send out large amounts of emails, to collect email lists, and also to create things known as landing pages. Now, for example, if you are a website owner and you have several clients that are coming to your website, signing up for products and things like that, you want to find a way that is more efficient of communicating with all of these people at once without necessarily having to type out thousands of emails, because that takes long and it's not sustainable. So this company has created a platform that enables you to actually communicate with your customers or your prospects, and you're able to send out large numbers of emails at the same time, which is really great because you're able to inform people when you have a new sale, when you have a new product, and things like that. So also GetResponse allows you to create things known as landing pages, which is kind of unique and a little bit different to other email marketing softwares. And this is complete drag and drop, and it's user friendly, which means you could be an absolute beginner and you could be using this particular software or tool to help you create landing pages, and therefore you actually wouldn't need a website if you were doing something like affiliate marketing. Okay, so now that you know what GetResponse is, you need to know how you can promote this tool to people who are looking for such software out there. So the next thing that you're going to need to do is find the source of traffic that is free. And I'm talking about a free source of traffic because when it comes to affiliate marketing, as a beginner, you don't want to go with paid sources of traffic such as Facebook ads or Google ads or even YouTube ads or native ads. You want to start with the free sources of traffic so that once you start making the money, you're able to scale what you have made. You're able to take the profits and plow that profit back into your affiliate marketing business. So there are several places where you can find free sources of traffic. Tons of people that are looking for this particular email marketing tool, okay, or this email marketing software. And I'm going to give you 3 places where you can find such people. Number 1 is Pinterest, and Pinterest is simply a search engine that is image based or it's picture based, and people go on Pinterest to look for all types of stuff. Number 2 is YouTube. YouTube is a free platform where you could also get free traffic by creating videos. But the third method, and this method I believe is super powerful and helpful for somebody who is a complete beginner in affiliate marketing, because you're not going to be creating any videos, or you don't need to necessarily use a lot of pictures or anything like that. The third platform is known as Quora. Now there are many other places where you can find free sources of traffic, but Quora is super powerful because it gets millions, almost 40 million people go on this particular website every single month, and this is a huge source of traffic. Now you need to understand how to use Quora to find the people that are looking for this email marketing tool or GetResponse. Okay, and what you need to know about Quora is that Quora is a Q&A platform. This means that it's a question and answer platform where people go to ask questions about anything and they get answered. And so you could be the one to answer their questions regarding email marketing tools that they need for their businesses, or you could be the one to answer questions. You could simply head over to Quora, create a free account, and you could ask the questions yourself using one account, or you could even write down posts by creating what is known as a space on Quora. But as a beginner, what you want to do is head over to Quora and find out the questions concerning email marketing tools or email marketing software, and they might go something like this. What are the best email marketing tools? What are the best email marketing software? or what is the best email marketing tool for 2020, or what is the best email marketing software for 2021, something along those lines. And so you need to check out such questions on Quora and make sure you go there and answer each one of these questions. Now, don't get tired, because a lot of people go over to these platforms and they answer one question and then they leave it at that. Once they don't get any results, they say that this is a scam, it doesn't work, or it's fake. And in our previous video, we told you guys that you need to be patient and you need to be tenacious. You need to be persistent. So with this particular method, you need to know that patience is going to pay off. So on Quora, you need to be answering all of these questions with regard to email marketing tools or email marketing software. Like, try to do that every single day, and in a few weeks you will start seeing results. Now, how are you going to share your affiliate link? Because Quora doesn't allow you to post your raw affiliate link on that platform. So what you need to do is, we're going to be using another free platform, and it's known as Medium. Now, Medium is a website that allows you to share your blog post or stories. They call them stories on Medium, but what they are is they're simply, blog posts. And you could do this for free. Head over to Medium and sign up for a free account. And what you need to do, remember at the beginning of this video, I said you're going to need to do some research. This is the investment part of this method. What you need to do is write a blog post on Medium. It could be a review about, GetResponse. So you could make sure that the keyword GetResponse review is in your title if you want to rank. Also make sure that it's in the first paragraph, in one of your subheadings, and at the conclusion. So writing a review is something that is good. But another thing is that you could do a comparison. There are several email marketing tools that are out there. And so one of them is known as Sendinblue. Another one is known as MailChimp. All you have to do is go out there and find an article that somebody else has already written. Do not copy it word for word. Go ahead and make it your own article, and own that piece and make it, personalize it to yourself. And you could just use something else that somebody has written as a guide for what you need to write. So once you have your blog post on Medium, it should look something like this blog post that we wrote here on Medium a while ago. And this was about how to make money online in Kenya through M-Pesa. And so once you have your blog post on Medium, make sure to include an affiliate link for GetResponse in the relevant place. And when I say the relevant place, I mean give the reader a place where they can sign up and then embed that particular affiliate link right there. So head over back to Quora, and every single place that you've answered a question, you can now share your link to this particular Medium post. Now, as people read your Medium post, they are going to be finding these links to your affiliate program. And once they sign up for the program, if your article has convinced them, then you will get paid that particular commission, the $100 or the 33%. Now, another great thing about affiliate marketing is that you could review two different, like I've said, you could, say Sendinblue versus GetResponse. Which one should you choose? And so Sendinblue also has an affiliate program that I believe pays you about $5 per referral that you send over to them, which is really great. So whichever email marketing tool the reader goes with, you will still get paid a commission. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure that you subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell, because we're going to be sharing a lot more in this particular affiliate marketing playlist. Don't miss out on anything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.